सर, छात्रों की क्लैरिटी के लिए ये जो सवाल है बार बार पूछा जा रहा है कि ग्रेस मार्क्स जो दिए थे उसका फॉर्मूलेशन क्या था, अगर आप हमें समझा पाए बहुत सरल भाषा में कि फॉर्मूला क्या आपने यूज किया, क्योंकि हर बच्चे को अलग अलग ग्रेस मार्क्स दिए जा रहे हैं।
ये जो एक 2018 का सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट था उसमें एक फार्मूला दिया गया था, उसके बेसिस पे कैलकुलेट किए गए थे कि बच्चे ने जितना टाइम किया और टाइम लॉस हुआ कि जितने टाइम में कितने क्वेश्चन किए, उसमें कितने सही किए कितने गलत किए, और जो लॉस हुआ उसी के हिसाब से उसको एक फार्मूले के तहत उस लॉस में उतने टाइम क्वेश्चन और कर लेते, तो उसके बेसिस पे उनके मार्क्स रिवाइज किए गए।
तो सर, जैसे आप बता रहे हैं कि सिर्फ 1600 यानी कि 1600 बच्चों के साथ जो है ये इशू आ रहा है 6 सेंटर्स में, उसका संज्ञान आप ले चुके हैं, और कमिटी जो गठित की है सर उसमें कौन कौन है और कमिटी अभी क्या क्या देखने वाली है आगे सर?
इसमें जो इशू यही था कि जो अभी जो कंसर्न्स आ रहे थे कि कुछ बच्चे एक सेंटर से उनको ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिल गए, टॉप कर गए, और इनको ज़्यादा ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये डिस्प्रपोर्शनेट मतलब आउट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन मीडिया में या स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी में जा रहा था ये इशू। तो ये इशू को एक बार फिर से रिविजिट करने के लिए, एड्रेस करने के लिए हमने एक हाई पावर्ड कमेटी बनाई है जो इसको देखेगी कि जो रिकमेंडेशंस हमारी ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल कमेटी ने दी थी उसको एग्जामिन करेगी और उसके बेसिस पे अपनी रिकमेंडेशंस देगी अबाउट एक हफ्ते के समय में, और उसके बेसिस पे हम निर्णय ले लेंगे।
You know, we'd also like to add grace marks were also given not just because of the paucity of time, they were also given at the back of a physics textbook which the NTA says had an error by NCERT. Therefore, to compensate, those who appeared on that paper were given compensatory or grace marks there. But Dr. Subramaniam, I want to bring you in on this again. You know, are you satisfied in the way which NTA is dealing with this crisis? Because even in this year, there are lakhs of students who don't really know. You know, there are pros where the NEET examination is concerned, but right now, if you look at it, the cons are overtaking that.
See, I think they should take a leaf out of what everybody else has done. It's not like mistakes have not happened in other competitive exams. Please understand, if people thought NEET was bad, you should look at the competitive exams in Korea and Japan. They are incredibly more competitive and horrible. Point is, are we saying that there are no mistakes that happen in them? The answer is no. It can happen, and in the US at least, there is data on SAT errors that have happened, the Scholastic Aptitude Test and things like that. So they have a protocol for that as well. See, my concern is exactly what you brought out. What is the protocol? Like grace marks. Why was this not discussed a priori? This should have been on the website saying, if you have this problem, then we'll give you grace
marks. But Dr. Subramaniam, we figured right now, I'm sorry to, come in between because we're reaching the end of the show. We figured the discrepancies. They're glaring, they're in our face. This round of the examination, what's the solution? What can be done for these 4 students who are joining us on this bulletin, hoping that, the petitioner in this case wants to come in, Nitin Vijay, come in. What's the solution that offers hope to these 4 kids who are joining us?
So according to me,
according
to me, the best solution is this, that Supreme Court should create a committee of subject matter experts, academicians, and the data scientists. And they should ask the data from NTA. They should identify the malified centers, disbar them, and again conduct the NEET on that centers only. Do not punish all the students, right? And then again re-evaluate the marks of those malified centers students and normalize it according how they are doing into JEE, and inculcate them into the new result, make a new result so that the cutoff marks will drop down.
Dr. Subramaniam, do you agree with this?
I would also go one step further. I would say they should reach out to other countries which have competitive exams and will handle this very sensibly to try and find out how they did it. Why are we trying to reinvent
Dr.
Nandkumar,
sir, would you agree with what the petitioner just said, that this could be a possible solution this year?
Hello?
Yes, Dr. Kumar, do you agree?
Oh, sorry. So, so I think, we have to rethink on this. For any examination, if such kind of thing happens, there is a predefined standard process how to resolve this. Say, for examination, delay in question paper booklets and collecting the answer sheet. So we have to look into that.
All right.
And if
All
talking
right.
about that high power committee, then we need to look into.
No, but
In
you know,
terms
but
of
what
that,
Nitin
no,
Vijay
including
said, I
the
want to also cut
examination
across to the 4 students there. Arpit Dhoke, with what the petitioner Nitin Vijay just elucidated, do you in principle agree that identified the centers where there seemed to be a discrepancy and, you know, don't punish everyone, but hold re-examinations there?
Yes,
Dr.
ma'am, I
Kumar,
totally
you wanted to
agree
make a point. Go ahead.
discrepancy.
One second. Dr. Kumar wanted to complete. Go ahead, Dr. Kumar.
Oh, discrepancy is there certainly, but we need to look into that, how much it is there, whether it is localized in some place or it is generalized.
True.
So
Okay.
we need to look into that. Conducting the re-examination for the entire student, 24 lakhs, is not that easy process.
No, but
It's a
that's
very-
not what that is not what Nitin Vijay is saying. He's saying do it in centers where there is a discrepancy. I just want to quickly ask the students if this is what they are looking at. Arpit Dhoke, will you be satisfied if that formula is put in place?
What
Yes,
Nitin
ma'am.
Vijay
I would
is saying
totally
is
agree
it
with
can be-
NV sir's solution to the and put forth by Dr. Swaminathan.
So you will agree with that. Stuti Saxena,
Yes, ma'am.
will you be satisfied? I know you've dropped a year, but are you happy with the solution if this is what is accepted? You're on mute, Stuti. Okay, Tirtha Das, you go ahead.
Yeah, I wholeheartedly support Anvi sir. What he said actually makes sense and is practical. It can be implemented very easily. I think we should go ahead with that.
Okay, Devansh Raj, will you be satisfied?
अब आप कैमरे में आते हैं।
Okay, there's a problem there, but it does seem out of the 4 students, we've had 2 of them saying they're completely satisfied with the fact. Stuti, you're back with us. Will you be satisfied? Go ahead. You know, you're on mute, Stuti. You're on mute. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm also satisfied with NVSR's solution. This might give us a fair evaluation of everything that is going on.
Okay. All right, okay. But let's just hope the Supreme Court has now stepped in. Let's just hope that we get the best solution possible for our students. 24 lakh of them, viewers. The field of medicine is one of the most sought after, the most aspired for, where our young lot is concerned. Some of them have dropped years hoping, for a career in this field. And all we can do is give them transparency. And that's all we hope for.